Hi everyone, finally I'm happy to announce a channel membership that can be accessed on the YouTube channel. I want to keep everything in one platform and it's just much easier that way. The 3 membership tiers unlock different layers of early access, exclusive content, loyalty badges next to your name in comments and live chat, special emojis to use in comments and live chat, priority reply to comments, connecting on social media. You will also have more input into what to see first and know what I'm working on. The channel membership would help me maintain a consistent income and give me more freedom to buy necessary equipment and bring higher quality content for you. I would love to bring all necessary equipment to make live streaming and top quality videos, but we aren't quite there yet. I'm so excited to see where we can go from here. Remember, your support is what keeps me going. See you inside.